It's day 8 of the nationwide lockdown 2.0. The number of confirmed cases has risen to 19,984. The number of active cases has gone up to 15,474, with over 1,600 patients who have succumbed to the virus so far. But the lockdown guidelines implemented by the centre have ensured a positive recovery rate of more than 19%. Several updates we're picking up from across the country and how the situation is looking like this afternoon on day 8 of phase 2 of the lockdown. Here are some of the ground reports filed by our reporters.
Azadpur Mandi, which is now open for 24 hours, 7 days a week, and which witnessed a thickly populated situation, which was as equal to a deadly situation, has now gone down, and we can witness less amount of people, in fact, as compared to yesterday. And also the Delhi police officials have increased their vigilance and keeping a close watch as to who all are entering. And vegetable vendors, fruit vendors are constantly being checked for their tokens. And the development minister of Delhi, Gopal Rai, had mentioned that at any given point in time, not more than 1,000 people will be entertained at the Azadpur Mandi. And the relaxations have been given to this particular Mandi because this is the biggest Asia's biggest wholesale and fruits and vegetable market. And to eradicate the issues faced by the farmers and to also spruce up the supply, to address the shortage of supply and to also arrest the further rise in prices of the essential commodities, this move was taken by the Delhi government. However, yesterday when we reported from the inside vegetable market, we witnessed a lot of people not maintaining social distancing norms. Also, many of the vegetable vendors were not even wearing their masks. And inside the market, there was no vigilance either by the Delhi police or by the civil defense personnel. But right now, we are at the outgate and we can see they are keeping a close watch at at every vehicle, and that somehow we cannot witness the tokens being issued at the outgate or at the in-gate of the Azadpur Mandi, which is a matter of concern. And right now the vegetable market, the inside of the vegetable market is also not as thickly populated as before. But yes, Delhi government needs to take up an action against this particular relaxation which has been given to the Azadpur Mandi, which is not as stringent as the Keshapur, Okhla mandis. Right now the restrictions which have been given to other mandis as well are not as stringent, but Azadpur has been fully relaxed by the Delhi government.
मैं इस वक्त लखनऊ में निशादगंज सब्जी मंडी के पास में हूँ और यहाँ की मैं स्थिति आपको दिखाऊं तो इस वक्त पूरी की पूरी जो सब्जी मंडी है वो खाली है या कुछ इक्का दुक्का ही लोग हैं जो इस वक्त सब्जी मंडी में दिख रहे हैं, जो साफ तौर पे कहा जा सकता है कि एकजुट होकर लोग मार्केट में बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हैं। हालांकि शाम के समय पे कुछ थोड़े बहुत लोग जो यहाँ पे हैं वो ज़्यादा मात्रा में दिखते हैं, पर उन सब के लिए प्रशासन की तरफ से आपको मैं दिखाऊं कि इस तरीके से ब्लॉक्स बनाए गए हैं और ये लगातार किसी भी तरफ आप देखेंगे तो सभी सब्जी की दुकानों के सामने ऐसे ही ब्लॉक्स बनाए गए हैं जिससे कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन हो सके और उसी तरीके से लोग अपना सामान खरीद सकें। इन सब के बीच में हमने जब सब्जी के लोगों से बातचीत करी जो इसके विक्रेता हैं तो उनका कहना है कि उन्होंने अपने पास अपनी दुकानों में सैनिटाइज़र रखे हुए हैं और वो लगातार अपने हाथों को साफ़ किया करते हैं। साथ ही साथ उन्होंने खुद अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए, आप देखिए जितने भी सब्जी वाले, या तो उन्होंने गमछा पहना हुआ है, गमछा अपने मुंह पे डाला हुआ है या मास्क लगाया हुआ है, जो कि साफ तौर पे जो लगातार जो सरकार की जो गाइडलाइंस आ रही हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने भी कहा है कि आपको हमेशा मास्क लगाने हैं और अपने हाथों को सैनिटाइज़ करना है, उसका कहीं ना कहीं ये लोग लगातार पालन कर रहे हैं। इन सबके बीच में ये कहा जा सकता है कि लखनऊ के निशादगंज सब्जी मंडी के जो लोग हैं वो लोग लॉकडाउन का पूरी तरीके से पालन कर रहे हैं और जो भी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का जो एक प्रोटोकॉल है उसका भी पूरी तरीके से यहाँ पर ख्याल रखा जा रहा है।
It's the day 8 of lockdown phase 2 and right now we are present in the Safdarjung enclave area of National Capital where a sanitisation drive is being carried out by MUD officials. Right behind me you can see that there is an official who is right now sanitizing each and every lane, each and every corner of Safdarjung enclave area. Remember, this area has also been identified as a hot spot and there are officials who are now sanitizing the entire area with the help of a sanitizer. They are spraying the sanitizers each and every corner of Safdarjung enclave area. And moreover, on the other side, there are few volunteers also who are sanitizing this area, and there are MGD officials who are making announcements of people to remain inside. You can see that there is an official who is asking people to be indoors, and he's also saying that what kind of precautions what people should follow during these days, as this is also a containment zone. We will try to speak to this official the kind of precautions which he is asking people to follow. But right now we are also showing you the pictures of the area where this sanitization drive is being carried out by the officials of MCD who are here in Satsang Enclave. Let me try to speak to him. क्या मैसेज आप दे रहे हैं लोगों को?
कोरोना से बचाने के लिए जी, घर में ही रहे, घर से बाहर जाने के लिए, तभी हम कोरोना से जी सकते हैं।
आज का क्या प्लान है? कहाँ सैनिटाइज करेंगे आप? कहाँ सैनिटाइज करेंगे? आज का क्या प्रोग्राम है?
आज B4 में सैनिटाइजर करेंगे जी।
कब से कर रहे हैं आप? कब से कर रहे हैं?
जी
कब से कर रहे हैं? कितने दिनों से कर रहे हैं?
4-5 दिन हो गए जी सर।
Okay, so that's the word coming in from official of MCD, and right now we are in Satsang Enclave area where this sanitization drive is going on, and right behind me you can also see that there is a truck of sanitization which is being used to sanitize the complete area. You can see that sanitization is taking place with the help of spray. Sanitization is being spread in each and every corner, in every lane. Every vehicle is right now being sanitized in this containment zone which has been identified by Delhi government.
We are just standing outside Shastri Bhavan, where you can see that so many cars which has government officials working day and night in not only to fight it out with COVID, but also on various several economical packages, and also how to run this country just after the COVID-19 ends, because there will be a huge setback not only economically but also many industries are going to face bankruptcy. And that's why whether it's a minister's car or whether it's government officials' car or their secretary, you can see that all the cars that are coming and entering the premises of the ministry or in Shastri Bhavan, all of them are being sanitized. So these are the manual sanitization process that is taking place, whether it's a minister's car or whether it's their secretary's car or any other IPS, IAS cars. All of them are bound to get sanitized. They will have their sanitization taking place separately at the entry point as well, and then only they will enter. Everybody is ensuring that they are wearing their mask, and no other problems are taking place over here. So all of them are getting sanitized. All cars over here, a manual sanitization is taking place just outside the Shastri Bhavan. You can see the huge number of cars that are entering, because all of these people are government official workers, and they are working day and night in order to make this country run, and of course work on policies which will lead this country ahead. And also the coming times, which seems to be gloomy because of the economical condition, because of the packages that has to be announced, because of the bankruptcy that many industries face, especially the airlines. All of these has to be chalked out, and that's why just outside the ministry you can see that a lot of cars, a lot of government officials who are entering, who are working day and night, their cars are constantly being sanitized via the manual process. Currently standing at DND, which is the checkpoint between Noida and Delhi, and as according to the notification issued by the district magistrate of Gautam Budh Nagar, that communication between Delhi and Noida will be monitored in a very strict manner, except for essential services and officials who have proper ID cards, and doctors who are required for emergency services, and also media personnel with government passes. No other person will be allowed to enter Noida from Delhi onwards, or vice versa. Because of the commutation, that's why number of cases have been spiking, and that is the reason has been given by Health Department and is being strictly followed. You can see over here the Rapid Action Force is standing right here. The Delhi Police and Noida Police are also at this particular area. They are constantly asking for ID card. They are constantly asking various other questions so that a strict monitoring is maintained. So over here at this particular checkpoint, there is a strict vigil that is maintained. People are showing their essential services card. They are showing their important services that they are completely involved in, and then only they are being allowed to enter via this Delhi-Noida border, or else they are being asked to go away. So see, there are certain cars over here who have been asked to get back to Delhi because they haven't been able to prove their essential services role, and that's why they have been asked to go away. So this is the strict vigil that is being maintained during the lockdown, that at the border areas nobody except for emergency services and essential services will be allowed to enter, because commutation is one of the reasons cited by Health Department for the spike in the COVID-19 cases. So Rapid Action Force, Delhi Police and Noida Police are at it.
I'm present in Greater Noida, and this is the office of ADM, and there, this is the point from where the passes is being issued in any kind of emergency, being it health emergency or being it any other kind of emergency. So I'm just giving you a sense of the area. This is the particular window from where the passes is issued, and people with their documents, people with their problems are standing here. Although the e-passes are the arrangement, but in many cases if it is across the state, like if it is not about only Uttar Pradesh, then the manual passes are being given. So there we are giving you the sense that what exactly are the arrangement that has been made in by the Gautam Budh Nagar administration. There you can see the numbers of people who have gathered here and waiting for their turn. The passes will be issued to them. So they are having their papers. They have been asked to maintain social distancing. They are using masks, so everything is being monitored. But this is an important point in Gamma 2 of Greater Noida, where this office is. This is ADM office, so we are giving you the information through this report that this exactly is the area from where the passes are issued by the Gautam Budh Nagar administration. In any case of health emergency or in any case of any other type of emergency, the passes are being made from this very point, and ADM of Gautam Budh Nagar is issuing the pass.
I'm in South Moti Bagh area of the national capital, and here the sanitization work is being conducted by the DMC. You can see here that there are two types of sanitizing machines that they are using. One is with the pump to cover the larger area, and the second one is one with which they are sanitizing the plants and the more minute areas, so that the sanitizer reaches every inch of the building. So this sanitization drive is being conducted by the DMC, which is making sure that the coronavirus spread is broken and the chain in national capital is broken. With us we have a representative from the DMC. We will talk to him about the sanitation drive. सर, आप कितने ब्लॉक्स दिन में सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं आजकल?
हम 3 से 4 ब्लॉक सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। तो एक ब्लॉक में लगता है हमको 4 आवर्स लग रहे हैं, लगभग 4 घंटे लग रहे हैं। तो हम पूरे डे में 4 ब्लॉक करवा रहे हैं कंप्लीट, और साथ में कंटोनमेंट एरिया इसको रेगुलर बेस पे करवा रहे हैं।
कंटेनमेंट एरिया में कुछ स्पेशल तरीके से सैनिटाइजेशन हो रही है?
हाँ मैम, स्पेशल तरीके से हो रही है। यहाँ पे हम बीच में ड्रोन से भी करवा रहे हैं, और बीच बीच में हॉर्टिकल्चर का जो टैंकर आ रहा है वो भी कर रहा है, और हमारे पास जेटिंग मशीन है बीच में, उससे भी करवा रहे हैं हम।
एक एरिया में कितनी बार सैनिटाइजेशन हो रहा है आजकल?
मैम एक एरिया में कम से कम रेगुलर बेस पे हम प्रायोरिटी बेस पे ले रहे हैं। जो नियर बाय कंटोनमेंट एरिया है उसको 2 से 3 टाइम करवा रहे हैं हम।
अच्छा,
यस।
So this is how the DMC is making all efforts to break the chain of coronavirus. As of today, there are 20,000 positive cases, and it is imperative for the authorities, for the locals and everybody in the country to do their bit to stop the spread of this novel virus.